Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to see this awesome DIY that I did out of this picture frames that everybody's been getting so excited about it, stay tuned and watch the video. So the items that you'll be needing are some scissors, double-sided tape, a glue gun, and I bought these clear index tabs at the Dollar Tree. And I also got some tweezers. I'm not sure how you call them, but I'll be showing you during the video since I didn't record that. First, what you want to do, guys, I do want to mention that I got this picture frames and I already did one upwards, and I do want to do one that is laying down just because I do have like rectangle pictures that are facing like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna do this one like tilted down. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense, but okay. And of course I grab my little tweezers here. I'm not even sure how you call them, but you're gonna flip your picture frame and then you're gonna remove the black little cardboard. I'm not even sure what's it called. Once you remove that, you remove the picture that comes in there. As soon as you remove that picture, you also want to remove the little glass that it comes with, because you don't want to break it when you're doing the next step, which is removing the little black little thingies that hold the whole picture from the back. So you want to remove it. Remove all 4 of them. Once you're done doing that, you do want to grab your picture frame and put a dot of hot glue in between the corners of your picture frame through the inside and the back. Once you're doing that, you set your picture frame down and get the glass and put it down and press it so it can glued, and you leave it there for a few seconds. Once you left it there, you then grab your hot glue gun again and just glue all over the corner. Press it real good so it can be firm and sturdy, and of course you want to leave it for a minute for it to be dried already. Once you're done, guys, you do want to grab your clear index tabs that you got from Dollar Tree and bend them back and forth just for them to get used to, and whenever you glue them, they're already ready. Once you did that, you want to cut the index tab in half, and then you want to cut it again on the upper little thing where it opens, so you can have 2. You can actually make 2 of them, so you can put one on the top and one on the bottom. Did that as well. You want to measure the little picture frames in between themselves. Maybe just leave like a little tiny gap, and then grab your hot glue gun and grab your little index tab and hot glue it to the picture frame itself. And make sure that the middle, as you can see there, the white little line, it's in between that gap of the picture frames, because that's what's gonna be what it helps the picture frames fold, if I'm making any sense. But as you can see here, I'm just gonna show you how I'm putting glue on it and how I'm gonna glue it down to the picture frame itself. So I'm pretty much done, guys, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this video, but I've been kind of lazy because of work and everything, and I actually finished it just now. So I do want to give you guys a close-up here where you can see the clear index tab. You cannot even see it, right? You barely even see it, so that's amazing. But I do want to also mention that they do sell at your hardware store or Hobby Lobby or Michael's, where they sell a whole bunch of little items for picture frames where you can actually connect. They have like this little thing where you can actually put it to connect those 2 picture frames, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be kind of expensive. So I brought you this idea of using the index tabs from Dollar Tree. So that's pretty much everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I absolutely loved it, And if you actually make one yourself, make sure you tag me on my Instagram. I'll be leaving it at the end of the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.